In this video, I'll be reviewing Google Fi versus Airalo. So let's get started. Now, first of all, we're going to be looking at the similarities between both of them, and then we'll look at differences later in the video. Alright, so the first similarity that we have is international coverage and travel-friendly plan. So, international coverage and travel-friendly plans. So both Google Fi and Airalo cater to international travelers, providing global data plans that work in multiple countries. Google Fi Unlimited Plus offers free data and texting in 200 plus countries with calls at $0.2 per minute. Airalo provides prepaid eSIM data in 190 plus countries, letting users purchase data packages as needed. Both options allow you to stay connected abroad without the hassle of buying local SIM cards. Then we have eSIM support. So both Google Fi and Airalo support eSIM activation, allowing users to activate service instantly without a physical SIM card. Google Fi supports eSIM for iPhones, Google Pixel, and some Samsung devices. Airalo is an own eSIM only service, meaning it works only on eSIM compatible phones. Then we have no contracts and flexible plans. So no contracts and flexible plan. So both providers offer no contract option, meaning you're not locked into a long-term commitment. Google Fi operates as a monthly postpaid service, meaning you pay at the end of the month, but allows users to switch between plans freely. Airalo operates as a prepaid service. You pay upfront for data with no recurring bills. Then we have online only customer support. So online only customer support. So both Google Fi and Airalo provide customer support online as they do not have physical stores. Google Fi offers 24/7 support via chat, email, and phone. Airalo provides support via chat and email, though response times can vary. Then lastly we have multiple data plan options. So multiple data plan option. So both services allow users to choose different plans based on their data needs. Google Fi has a flexible plan which is pay per GB and an unlimited plan which has a fixed monthly price. Airalo offers regional, global, and country-specific data packs depending on your travel destination. So alright guys, that is it for the similarities. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the differences. Alright. So the first difference that we have is core purpose and service type. Core purpose and service type. So Google Fi is a full mobile carrier that includes phone numbers, calls, texts, and data. It can replace your primary carrier. Airalo is a data-only eSIM provider, meaning it does not offer phone numbers, calls, or SMS. You'll need apps like WhatsApp, Skype, or Google Voice for communication. Then we have calling and texting features. So calling and texting features. So Google Fi includes unlimited domestic calls and text in the US, plus international calling and texting with some additional costs. Airalo does not support calling or texting, only data. If you need to make calls, you must use VoIP apps. Then we have domestic US coverage. Domestic US coverage. So Google Fi is a US-based carrier offering nationwide coverage using T-Mobile and UScellular networks. Airalo is not a domestic carrier and does not offer permanent US plans. It is meant for temporary travel use. Then we have pricing and cost structure. Pricing and cost structure. So Google Fi and Airalo have completely different pricing models. Google Fi is a subscription-based service with plans starting at $20 per month plus $10 per GB for the flexible plan and $50 to $65 for unlimited plans with international data. So I'm just going to go ahead and write it down so you can keep track. Flexible, this is for the flexible plans, and this is for the unlimited plan. So flexible plans are $20 per month, and then you can add for $10 per GB. And for the unlimited plan, it's $50 to $65, $50 to $65, and with the international calls, international data. Then Airalo is a prepaid pay-as-you-go service where you purchase one-time data packs based on the country and region. So there's 1 GB for $5, which is valid for 7 days in some countries, and 10 GB is for $37, which is valid for 30 days in a region like Europe. Then we have network switching and domestic reliability. So network switching and data reliability. So Google Fi uses T-Mobile and UScellular networks and dynamically switches between them for better coverage. Airalo partners with local carriers in each country, meaning coverage depends on which carrier is used in your location. Then we have hotspot and tethering. So hotspot and tethering. So Google Fi allows full speed hotspot usage on all plans. Airalo supports hotspot usage, but some data packages may have restriction. Then we have speed and network prioritization. So speed and network prioritization. So Google Fi offers high-speed 5G LTE data, but after 50 GB on the unlimited plus plan, the speeds slow down. Airalo speeds depend on local carriers, but since it's an MVNO, which is a mobile virtual network operator, data may be deprioritized in congested areas. So now, which service should you choose? So choose Google Fi if you want a primary mobile plan that includes calls, text, and data. You need nationwide US coverage in addition to international benefits. You want seamless automatic international roaming in 200 plus countries. You use a Google Pixel, Samsung, or iPhone with eSIM for network switching. And lastly, you need a phone number for traditional calls and SMS. Choose Airalo if you travel frequently and just need temporary data while abroad. You already have a primary carrier but need affordable travel data. You want prepaid, no contract options without a monthly bill. You are comfortable using VoIP apps like WhatsApp, Skype, Google Voice for calls and texts, and you use an eSIM compatible phone and want instant activation. So alright guys, that'll be it for the review. I hope that this video has helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.